Blizzard of 1996, listen to me. 2016. Although the blizzard of 96 did suck too, as well. This is what we're dealing with right now. This is my neighborhood. Ooh, lordy. I'm going out for a candy run. I have not been outside all day, and I'm losing my mind! I have cabin fever. I was supposed to have been in Austin, Texas by now, enjoying a very mild winter of like maybe 50 or 60 degrees, but no, I'm stuck here. But this is my last winter, so yay! Yay! I hope the deli's open. Maybe they live right upstairs and they're not closing down. Hey, what are you doing riding on the road? You're not allowed. I'm calling the cops. Oh, shit. There was a newscaster about an hour ago that was in snow up to his knees. Sorry this video is so jumpy, but god damn, it's hard to walk. Nobody's bothering to shovel because it's too deep. It's coming down too hard. Alright. This is it for now. Here comes the snowplow. Hello, Mr. Snowplow.